Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a hot minute. My name's Anna, aka Super Vulgar, on Instagram and Twitter and YouTube, and I am here to show you how to create this look. I'm not really gonna get into detail on like how to do the eyeliner or whatever. Like that's the only technique that I think would be like the trickiest in this look. But if you want to know how to get your eyeliner right every fucking time, let me know, because I do know a really good trick and I can make a video only on that. All of the products used are going to be listed in the description down below. Oh my god, what else do YouTubers say when they film a video? Please subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, it really helps. It hasn't helped me yet, but I think it helps, right? Because a lot of people say that it helps, so I want to see how it can help me. So give me a thumbs up, please. I would also like to mention that I am overwhelmed with love and support because I have grown so much in the past 2-3 months, but especially in the past month. I legitimately never thought that I would ever have that many people caring about my makeup, ever. So thank you so much for supporting me and engaging and all of that. You are literally changing my life. If it wasn't for social media, I'll be the first one to acknowledge that. If it wasn't for social media, I would not be a makeup artist. So I love you. Thank you. And let's get into this tutorial. And I can put it in a bind. So last night I went through my makeup collection and I picked some products that I have to like remember to use, like to create looks with and etc. So one of them was the Too Faced Melted Gold lip gloss. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna use this on my eyes for sure. And I'm also like, the look today is really not gonna be all that complex. Like we're not really gonna get into technique and whatever. I just need to get my ass on YouTube, okay? So so I have also my everyday makeup products in here. If you guys are ever interested in knowing what I do on a daily basis, let me know in the comments and I will be happy to show you what I have in my everyday makeup pouch. I did my foundation off camera using the Revlon photoready candid natural finish anti-pollution foundation in the shade 250. So let's start off with the eyes, shall we? Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do an eyeliner look. So I'm going to use the, I'm really picky with eyeliners. This one is not a brush pen, but I like it. It's called the Betty Boop X Ipsy Bag Drawn to You eyeliner. So I'm going to do a wing with that. Like the cool blue light. That is a fucking look, I'll tell you that much. Now I'm gonna do concealer, blush, contour, highlighter, and eyebrows, and then we get into this bad boy here. So I'm going to use the Revlon photoready candid antioxidant concealer in the shade 22, and I'm just gonna lightly conceal my skin. I'm really like not gonna worry so much about covering all of this. My cats are cracking. I'm just going to lightly conceal my skin. I'm not gonna do the whole thing because I don't want them, you know. Besides, this foundation and concealer are actually really good. So thank you so much, Revlon, because they sent it to me. I don't know how long it would take me to find out about that if it wasn't for Revlon for sending it to me. So thank you, Revlon. Thank you. You guys are awesome. Okay, I'm gonna do the front of my eyebrows with the Benefit Gimme Brow. Just a natural brow look. This is a lazy complexion makeup tutorial, okay? If you are expecting to see like contour techniques, blush, blah, 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 I do that, but not today. So I guess now it's time to do highlighter. For highlighter, I'm gonna use the Oden's Eye Cosmetics Solmåne palette in the shade Ljus and Main. I like mixing these two. And I'm gonna take that on a Morphe M510. And yes, bitch, yes. Gotta love me an indie brand that comes in with slaps. Slaps. It's so good. Like a little bit over here. Over here too. I know I got a big nose, bitch, but I'm still gonna highlight the tip of it because I don't care. Okay, maybe that's a little too much. So just come in with a beauty sponge. That's better. I also want to highlight my brow bone, so yeah, let's do some toothpicks, both too. Why not? Lit to the gods. And so a bitch forgot to film the part where she mentions this amazing mascara she was sent by Exurbe Cosmetics. This is the Overdose mascara and I'm obsessed with it. And lips are just like lip balm, so this is the finished look. It's really simple, but it's really nice. And it can be very quick if you can do your eyeliner fast. And if you can't do your eyeliner fast, or if you can't do it at all, let me know, because I could actually make a video for you on how to get it perfect every fucking time. And really easily, okay? So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for supporting me. Oh my god, I have so many new followers. And I will see you in the next